Hey everybody, this is Kenny with Texas Structural Steel. Today, as you can see, along this row right here, we have a lot of steel stacked up that's been completed and ready to go out, and I wanted to talk about a few of these projects. So this stack right here and these stacks over about 4 rows deep, this is a retail shopping center that's going up to the Dallas area. Right now the Dallas area has a lot of construction happening, and we've been blessed to get a lot of work up there. And this right here is, a lot of our miscellaneous steel, our angles. This is canopies that we made that'll go on the outside of the storefront, over windows and over doors. Some more miscellaneous steel, small pieces. And then right here you get into the meat of it, which is our columns, our roof framing is all the I-beam. All of the square tubing is columns or braces. Down here on the bottom, this channel, it will be used to frame out parapets and more canopies. But yeah, this project is going to Dallas. It's a retail shopping center. We're actually going to be doing the erection on this project as well, and that starts July 21st. So in a week and a half, we will be erecting this project, and we'll get you some videos of that. This project right here is another commercial project. This is actually for a bank remodel. This is also going to Dallas as well. If you're wondering why we painted this one red rather than gray, we ran out of gray paint and we had red left over. We generally try to save all of our red oxide paint for our pre-engineered metal buildings that we make on occasion, because that's the paint that those get, and it helps us differentiate out here in the yard between what's what. So structural steel, we generally try to paint gray. This steel right here is for an industrial application up south of Dallas. This is some of the framing for the structure. These are handrails that go around the top of the structure. And then right here we have the meat of it. We have our columns, the bulk of our framing, some angle bracing. Down here we have some plates right here that we had to make that ship loose. These get bolted to the columns, and the bracing gets attached to that. As you can see, we have a ladder as well. This project right here is the exact same project as this one. So this project right here is just an exact replica of the same building going up south of Dallas. We'll be doing the erection on that project as well. Unfortunately, I won't be able to get any videos of that because of the facility it's in, but I'll get some pictures. As we continue on right here, these trusses and columns. So these W10 by 12 I-beams right here are trusses, rafters for this project. This is a pre-engineered metal building, and these larger I-beams back here, I think they're W18 by 35, are also trusses. So the reason for the bigger I-beam on the 18 by 35 trusses is they're free spanning, I believe 90 feet, okay, or 80 feet. And then the smaller ones are end walls, so they'll have columns on the interior that help support it, so you can use a smaller I-beam in those applications. Right here we have columns for this project. Once again, this is a pre-engineered metal building. These are the columns that will be used in this project. We're doing the erection on this project as well, and this is in Baytown, Texas, which is right down the road from us, and that'll be taking place in 3 or 4 weeks. Right here is just some bollards that are getting shipped out on another project that we're finishing up, and that steel is back over here in the paint area. We have two projects right now back here in paint that we're trying to finish up and get painted that are